Hello and welcome to this channel. Uh, Today we are going to understand what are strings in Ruby. So you can imagine string as a sequence of one or more characters. They may consist of numbers or letters, and also everything is an object in Ruby. So strings are also the object in Ruby, and strings are the object of class string itself. Okay, and class string itself is also an object. Okay, and strings are mutable. They can be updated. We don't need to define another string uh, if uh, if we need two different strings at different point in the program, we don't need to define two different strings. We can just update them accordingly, and we don't need to specify the data type while defining a string in Ruby. So Ruby is not really a strict language like C++ or Java or C. um, you don't need to define the data type like if um, this is the string, and in Ruby you don't need to define the data type for any kind of variable, or you don't need to write the this is an integer or this is an string. Let's see practically what are strings. So now I am in the subline, and my file name is ruby underscore strings underscore part underscore one. Uh, the reason I named this video part 1 of strings, because in this video we are just going to understand how to define a string and what are strings. And in the next video we will see that what we can do with strings, how we can access the elements of string. Okay, and then further we will also be solving the problems. Okay, so you can print any string just like this. This is to print any string. Print any string. Okay, so let's see if it works. Hello protect. Let's see if it works. Yes, if you want to run or execute any Ruby program, you have to define its file name as .rb extension. Okay, and then you use the keyword Ruby, and then you define the path of that file. And when you press enter, it will be executed. What is happening? Just like it did now. I paused the video because something wrong happened with my system, and yes, it is printed. Even if you it doesn't need to be in double quotes, you can also define that in single quotes. Strings are enclosed between single or double quotes. You don't It is not necessary to define that in a particular kind of code. Yes, if you want to interpolate the string, by interpolate I mean if you want to put some variable inside the string. For example, my name is Pratik. Now I want to print something like hello, my name is Pratik. What I will do is put as hello, my name is sorry, my name is this. So now if I had used single quotes, it will print this string as it is. Now first let's see what it's going to print. Hello Proteki, the first line, and the line number 3, hello my name is Pratik. As I have not written Pratik here, I have defined a variable. I defined a new string called name as Pratik, and it is printed here. So now let's see what it would have print if I use single quotes. You can see here it is taking it as a whole string. Let's see what it is going to print. See, now it prints, hello, my name is blah blah. Okay, that's it for this video. And okay, 1 minute. We will go into the IRB and see that is this string is an object or not. Hmm. Yes, so now I'm into IRB and let's define a string here. Name a equal to protect. So here a is an object of class string. You can see that whose object it is. If you do a dot class, it gives you string. Okay, and in Ruby, the class name starts with the capital letter, and class are kind of constants. So yes, a is the object of class string, and in Ruby, everything is an object. So that's it for this video, and in next video we will understand how to access the string elements. Okay, thank you.